Hello lovely, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this Brazilian Thong Thong. The sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get started. Cut one front for your lace. I should have just used a rotate cutter, to be honest guys. Honestly, please do use a rotate cutter if you have one, because otherwise it will just make your life 10 times more difficult if you use a scissor, especially if you use a lace. The other trick is where when you cut a lace, you can place a tissue paper and then you place your lace and then your pattern. Cut one for your front lining in your cotton fabric. Always make sure you use a cotton when you're lining your underwear. Don't use any other fabric. Cotton always, ladies. Okay, I know you ladies probably gonna be asking yourself, have I printed the right pattern? Why my back piece is so small? Yes ladies, the back piece is meant to be this small. It's very tiny, so you did print the right pattern. You should have one small piece for your back piece for the front on your lace and then cotton lining. We're going to start off by attach our lace to the cotton lining and then stitch on the side and on the middle as well by using a straight stitch in your sewing machine. Just stitch on the side. Stitch on the middle as well. Now trim the excess fabric on the sides. So you will need your fold elastic for the underwear. Now fold for your back piece and then stitch on the waist. When you're using the fold elastic, always make sure you fit the machine first. Just stitch about like 5 centimeters and then you attach your fabric. Now trim the excess elastic on the sides. Stitch around 5 centimeters for the fold elastic just like this. And then after you have stitched 5 centimeters, now attach the back side to the fold elastic. Trim the excess elastic. Now attach the elastic on the waist for the front piece. Now stitch by using a 3-step zigzag stitch. Now trim the excess elastic on the sides, just like this. Make sure you do on this direction, guys. Okay, now we're going to attach the fold elastic on the side. Start off by the crotch area. It's very crucial that you start from the crotch area. You understand why in a minute. Now we need to measure your waist measurement. So whatever is your measurement, you need to stitch the fold elastic up to your waist measurement. Now check if you have the right length for your waist measurement. I find it easier if I just put a pin so that I know where I need to stop. Place the other side. And the stitch alongside. Trim the excess elastic this way and then continue stitch. Once you get to the crotch side like this, now measure your crotch length. The measurement is going to be in the sewing pattern, but it's around between 10 to 12 centimeters. Now attach the back side. It's super easy, ladies. Very easy to do those Brazilian tanga. Okay, now measure around 5 centimeters again. Now we need to find the middle and then trim so that we can attach the back side. Now attach them together. Make sure both sides they are the same length. go ahead in a sewing machine and then just stitch. I am using the very small zigzag stitch. It's usually the one that it doesn't move. Now trim the excess elastic and then fold the other side towards the back side like this. If you trim it and then fold toward to the back and then stitch by using a zigzag stitch. Repeat on the other side. That's it, done. Here's the final product, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.